I've got my box all sanded up, looking nice. I've got my neck all sanded to 220, and I'm going to fit those together. And then I'm going to take my fingerboard and put it on here, get it back where it matches the profile of the neck. And I'm just going to hold that in place for a moment with a spring clamp, just like that. Make sure everything is in good shape. Now, we need to place the bridge. We need to figure out where the bridge is going to go. And to do that, we're going to take some 2-inch blue tape, and we're going to set our calipers to be the distance between where the nut is going to be and our 12th fret. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If your fingerboard has fret dots, it'll be the one just on the body side of the 2 fret dots. And whatever that distance is, we want to double that. And so I'm going to put my blue tape down so that the frontish, like the front third of the blue tape is going past that number. Okay? So again, we're going nut to 12 fret to body, and then we're going to go just a little bit farther. So for a uke, it's like on this particular caliper, it's about 1/3 of a turn. And I'm going to take this measurement from this side as straight as I can get it, and then I'm going to come over here and go from this side as straight as I can get it and mark that. Sorry, my hand's in the way, but then you'll be able to see it here. So now I've got a line, and the line looks crooked. It's not actually crooked. It just looks that way because the tape isn't on dead perpendicular to my center line. But if I come down my center line, that line, that angle should be 90 degrees. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a straight edge, and I need to mark where my strings are going to be. And we're going to come in about 1/8 of an inch from the edge of the neck and send that line right down and mark it just like that. Okay. And then we're going to flip this around so we can get to the other side, but we want to put it back on so that it doesn't move. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come down this outside. See that? Coming down the outside about 1/8 of an inch in, and we're going to make a mark right there. So this shows us where our 2 outside strings are going to be. So this will be our G string, and that'll be our E string. G, C, A, E. Yeah, that'll be our E string. Now I'm going to measure out from that line 1/4 of an inch and then 1 inch. So 1/4 and then 3/4 for a total of 1 inch. Same over here. We're going to measure out 1/4 and then 1 inch. And this is going to be the overall length of my bridge. So on mine, that is from here to there 4 inches. Now yours might be a little bit different depending on the taper of your neck, but it should be in that neighborhood somewhere. So now we have to go get a piece of bridge material and cut it to length.